While everyone is obsessing over Google Veo 3.1 and Sora 2, there is a new video AI model that's quietly beating both of them in key areas, and almost nobody knows about it yet. I'm talking about Hailuo 2.3 version, which is brand new AI model from Hailuo AI. Most creators think Veo and Sora are the best option for AI video generation, and yeah, they are good, but they have massive problems like slow motion that ruins your clip, unexpected cuts that break the flow of the video, and video generate that things you never even asked for. This AI model changed the game. This AI model handles motion control like Hollywood choreographer, nails micro expression that look human, and actually generates what prompt you typed. No weird surprise. In this video I'm going to break down exactly why this AI tool you should be using right now. So what makes Halo 2.3 so special? It comes down with 4 game-changing upgrades that completely destroy the competition. First, that next level motion control. We are talking about perfect dance choreographer, fight scene and sports movements that they look like they were shot in a real camera. No more janky AI motions that screams fake. Second, the stylization is insane. Whether you want anime art styles or cinematic Hollywood effect, Halo 2.3 delivers visuals that they look come straight from out of a professional studio. But here's what gets even better. Hailuo AI generate realistic micro expressions. So your AI character don't just move their mouths anymore. They have detailed facial movements, eye focus and actual emotional depth. Every expressions feel alive. This is the difference between a robot and a performer. And if you thought that was impressive, wait until you hear the fourth feature because this one is a game changer for everyone making content for your brands or e-commerce website. Halo 2.3 has a built-in e-commerce optimization. You can upload your product and the AI ensures stable, high-quality representation in every frame. No more failed generations or product that look destroyed. This significantly improves your success rate for AI generator ads, which means you can actually use this for your client work or your own business. So let's zoom out for a second. Motion control that rivals real cinematography. Stylization that looks professional, micro expression that feel human, and e-commerce stability that actually works for your business. This isn't just another AI tool, this is the future of AI video generation. Now I know what you're thinking about. How do I actually use this thing? I got you covered. In this video, I am walking through the complete step-by-step tutorial on how you can access Hailuo 2.3 and craft perfect prompts and how you can generate professional quality videos in under 10 minutes. So let's get started. Let's go to Hailuo AI. First, I'm going to open my browser and typing Hailuo AI. So here's the website. You can see hailuoai.video. This is the site name. You can remember this. So when you sign up, you will see something like this. This is Hailuo basically. So once you go to the Hailuo AI's website, you can click on the video option here. Click on it and you will see this is from some recent generation. I tried this model. So here you can see I create the e-commerce ad just for a trial. It's a commercial of a can. You can see it looks so good. Also I created a lipstick ad. See this transformation. It's really mind-blowing. Literally making her lip red after applying the lipstick. So it's that much motion control and everything. So you can see another ad of chips I made with this model. So it's a slow-mo ad basically. This is also look great. So now I show some other samples like dance. So here you can see the dancing video I created. It's a pop dance. It looks so great. Sometimes it cracks. So if you write the prompt well, you'll get the better result. So this one is not bad. So that is also great. And here you can see a classical dance of an Indian woman. This is also created with the Hailuo AI model. It's not even real, but it's really great. I think in this point, it's better than Google Veo 3.1 because see that motion. It's really accurate and not showing any signs of AI. It's really photorealistic. Now you can see the anime. This is also I created using this one. Now you can see another racing video. The two anime character run extremely fast on a straight track. So you can see this. They are really racing on it. It sounds good. So yeah, we can create the another one with the prompt we created using ChatGPT. So I'm pasting the prompt here and make sure your AI model is Hailuo 2.3. So click on it and choose the resolution to 180p for the better quality. So this model takes like around 80 credits per generation, which is not bad. So you can choose the duration to 6 seconds. 180p supports only 6 seconds and 720p supports 10-second videos. But we are going with 180p right now with 6 seconds of duration. You can add status and frame feature if you want, but in this case we are choosing text to video, so we are not adding any images right now at least. So I choose text to video and same process, 180p resolution, 6-second duration, and choose the model Hailuo 2.3 and click on this button. So already the job is queued. Video generation started. It take like 1 or 2 minutes to finish it completely. So let's wait for it. In meantime, I will show something else. So here you can see a camera button, which is camera control. A lot of stuff here like debut. See this. This is a cinematic shot like debut, and another one is freedom. You can see it. It's kind of drawn shoot, like it goes up, the camera angle goes up from the subject. The left circle mainly rotate the subject in left side, and the right circling also the opposite of left circling. You can see it goes to right side the camera angle. And also here is upward tilt. It is also good, same like a drone shoot. And left walking is there. It is best for videos like this vehicle movement, like a car driving video. It's go to left, it looks so good. So another one is right walking. It is also good for a person walking to the right side of a road. Also shades left is there and right also there, which is a right side shot. You can see these examples here. Also another motion control is here, scenic shot. This is also great. So we are not using camera control at the moment because we don't need it right now. I'll show you some other. Also here you can see the subject reference. It is not supporting on Hailuo 2.3 model. It's only support on Hailuo 1. So we can keep it. Also, well, you can create image to video as well from start and end frame. So you can upload an image from your gallery and type a simple prompt, and it will even enhance it if you click on this pencil button below. Make sure it is turned on, so it will make the advanced prompt. Even if your prompt is sucks, it will automatically enhance clicking it. So our first video is already generated. Here you can see, just let's refresh it. This is the video. Let's see how it looks. Okay. Oh, this looks a artistic style. It's not bad, but we have to improve the movement. Like they are not moving their hands, but the overall movement looks not bad. I mean, this is not the perfect, but not bad as well. So we can create something even more better. We have to
create the motion on their hand as well. They are putting like the straight way weird gesture. Let's fix it. So I'm going to ChatGPT again and typing. So let's see how it works. It generated a brand new prompt. Let's copy it and go back to browser. Just click on this button and I paste the new prompt and clicking on the generate button, and let's see how this looks. It also already started generating. And the one thing is, in Hailuo AI you can create images as well, the image to video feature in meantime. So I'm creating and type the same prompt because it will give the subject in image 2 unless the motion. And now you can choose the ratio and the model is image 1 and it takes only 4 credits. So let's click on it. It started generating. Yeah. Okay, so images already I clicked a couple of times, like 2 times. So it is generating 4 images at a time. Let's see how the result looks like. Also, the our generation is currently 24 percentage. It will take like 2 or 3 minutes. Let's see. You can wait it. So in the meantime, make sure to subscribe our channel for more AI contents like this. So we'll post a lot of mind-blowing stuffs in future. So our image is ready. So here you can see a image of a female athlete and a male athlete on a race. You can see a crowd in background. Also, it's a portrait image. Background is blurred, and the realistic dust is also there. So this also looks good, and this one is also great. Like, yeah, this is also nice, but the expression is little not natural. So we can skip this one and go with this one. This one is looks good. I really like this one. Emotion and expression are clearly visible and natural. Also the crowd feels realistic. Overall the image is good, and this one is a anime style. You can see not exactly the anime, like a 3D animation style basically. So you can see this one is also looks good, but we can go with the realistic one. This one I said. So you can directly turn it into a video or you can download it. So I'm clicking on video it and I'm clicking the generate, and let's see how image to video works on this website. Okay, so our other video is ready, and let's see this one, how this one looks. Okay, it's loading. Wow, this one is perfect. I really like this one. See the motion, it's really realistic. In the case of anime, it looks so good. The movements are realistic, natural, also expression. And look at that male athlete's body. It is sweating. It's that much realistic and made a cool anime visual. Also, the female one is also looks good. Her hair is shaking. It looks so good. We can save this one. This looks nice. So that's all in the video. I hope you found this useful. I'll drop the Hailuo AI link in the description. And as I mentioned, the better the prompt, the better the result. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.